Hey guys, it's Ken from Unparalleled Houston Homes, and today we are in Texas City. We are here today because I have some clients that are interested in living somewhere near the beach, but they don't want to stay too close because it floods over there, so be sure before you guys buy a home. So this is one of those communities that we've been in here before, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's called Lago Mar, and today we're going to be touring homes around the 300K price range, extremely affordable. We actually been here before and we shot homes like Westin, Empire Homes. So be sure to check out that video somewhere over here. With that all said, you know, they have a lagoon here. Tax rates are a little high, but you know, after homestead and after a period of time, that's gonna go down over time as well. And we have a website as well. So if you guys are planning on moving, buying or selling the Houston area, check out our website, because you guys can see, you know, what's around the area that you guys possibly want to move to, homes available, home buyer guides, getting pre-approval. We got it all there. Check it out. Let's go check out the home now. Walk with me. Welcome into the first home. This home is equipped with laminate flooring, 9 feet ceiling, granite countertops, and laminate cabinets. It's a perfect starter home in the Texas City area and something that I highly recommend you guys check out, and be sure to hit us up as well if you guys plan on checking out this community. After touring the home and seeing the material and the quality they use, I would give this builder a 7.5 out of 10 if you guys are considering purchasing this home as a first-time home buyer. With that said, guys, enjoy the rest of the showing. So this is what $315,000 could get you in Lago Mar, Texas City. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know. This home is a single story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,631 square feet. For incentives, they're giving us back $10,000 to pay for closing costs or buying down your interest rate. And they're also locking in your interest rate at 4.99%, which is absolutely great right now. It's gonna help out a lot on the monthly payments. As for taxes, you're looking at 3.5% yearly before applying homestead exemption, and for HOA it's $1,730 a year. It's extremely high, but when you're paying that amount, you're gonna get the lagoon, and the lagoon is absolutely huge, especially if you guys have kids. They're gonna enjoy it a lot. Welcome to the second home, guys. When you guys first walk in, you're gonna have tile flooring on the floor. They have 9 and 10 feet sections of the home for the ceiling height. Countertop is by granite and the cabinets are by laminate. Overall, it's a solid home, and I give this home a score of 7.4 out of 10, just because I do not like the entrance of the home. It's a little bit too narrow for me, but what I really do like is the expansive living room. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the showing. second home, the builder name is Long Lake. They've been building a lot of homes around the Houston area for quite some time now, and this model is called the 208. So if you guys are interested in the 208 model or any of the other models that I have recorded, just head to the sales office, mention my name, possibly my contact information too, would be greatly appreciated, and just let them know which model name that you guys are interested. After you guys deposit and everything, then you guys can just select your upgrades and do all of that. Aside from that, this is a 1-story home, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 15 square footage, priced at $338,000. I know for a fact that we can get that price down for you guys if you guys decide to use us as your realtor representing you. I'm assuming we can get it anywhere between $15,000 to $20,000, and that's because they're closing out this section in Lago Mar. So that's just a good idea of how much movement in the real estate market is in this certain area. What's special about this home too is that in the back section of the house, we have a huge back patio, extremely huge, and in the front, we're sitting on a semi-corner, and you guys are about to figure that out when we drop the B-roll later, but it's gonna have a huge front yard. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If you guys have any questions about this community or any other community, comment down below. We'll be sure to get to you guys. And if you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button. With that all said, guys, remember, if you guys are planning on relocating, buying, or selling in the greater Houston area, you guys know who to hit up. Unparalleled Houston Homes, out.